Hello everyone, let me show you a demo of a new project which I have built using just the screen flows, and it will show you the power of screen flows, what we can achieve. So as you can see, the name here, create multiple opportunities, and I have a simple form. So sometimes the requirements are we want to create multiple opportunities but with different dates, right, on the same account. So for example, I create like op, this is just a name and 125, and I want this opportunity to be created 15 opportunities, and in each opportunity the days between each opportunity must be, for example, 30, right? So 15 opportunities I want to create and the distance or the days between them must be 30. So the starting means the first opportunity date, and then after that first one there will be 30 days between each opportunity. Stage name can be qualification, amount 125 for all opportunities. Click next and see it says 15 opportunities are created, finish. And if you scroll down in the related, you will see 15 opportunities are created. How cool is this? In a simple one click. And you can see the September, October, November, December, and you can see that name here. Amount is same for all of them. September, October, November 2023. So that was the demo, and hopefully I'll be creating a tutorial for this whole flow. It's not gonna be an easy one. It's a little bit intermediate or advanced level. So we'll share it with all of you soon. Thank you so much.